In the same way, students, you can also keep a package inside a package. So you can because why I'm relating it with the folder, because so that you can understand it better. So there are two types basically folders: built-in package and user-defined package. So user-defined package are the packages which you create according to your needs. So students, this is not in your syllabus how you can make the packages, but built-in packages uses is in your syllabus. So built-in, what are being built-in packages? The packages which are created by the Java developer that are called built-in packages. So that packages you just use it. So the condition is how you can use the built-in packages and what is the need of making the packages and why we should use the packages. So students, you can understand this that a package contain a classes. A package contain a classes, so that classes are ready-made, that means already built by the Java developer. So that classes will have the methods, so only you have to use that method and you can complete your work. So that means it will save our time, it will save to write the code multiple times. Suppose if I made a class and I kept a methods that calculate the percentage of a student. So there is any need to write to make the methods once again in our Java class? I think there is no need. We only import that class or that packages and use that method. So when I will use this method, that our work will be complete. So that means this is the benefit of packages. Am I right? That means your concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, if there are different packages, so can I keep the same name classes in different packages or not? So let me take one example. Suppose I have a folder movie and I have two movies of the same name, like movie 1 and movie 2. So can I, sorry, I'm sorry, movie 1 and movie 1. I have two movies with the same name, movie 1 and movie 1. So can I keep that two movies which are having same name in the same folder? Can I keep it? Can I keep it?
Sir, again tell what you have told now.
I said I have two movies of the same name, movie 1 and movie 2. Sorry, movie 1 and movie 1. That means I have the two movies of the same name and I have the folder movie. So I want to keep the same name, two movies in the same, in the single folder, in the same folder. Can I keep this? Can I?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have computer or
No, sir,
laptop?
no.
No.
No,
I
no.
no. I cannot keep because there are
Because
conflicts.
they're
There will be confusion that they are having the same name. Okay. Are take your example at your home. If you both if you are two sisters and both are having the same name, someone is calling, Divya, come here. Then then who will go to there? There will be a confusion. In the same way, if a folder containing the same name of two movies, then there will be a problem. But students, if I make the two folders and I will keep the same name movie in different folder, is there any problem?
No problem.
no, sir.
No problem. So in the same way, students, we can keep the the different sorry, same name classes in different packages. Is this related or not? Is this related? Is this related with the folders or not? Can you understand what I'm saying? Are you listening, please? If you are listening, then respond me. Are you listening? First, you all show your faces. Everyone, that means everyone, so turn on your camera. Everyone do it fast. Divya, Gulsita, Sanya, and Sirakant Maurya. Turn on your camera immediate. Everyone turn on your camera. Okay. So what I said to you that if in a computer there are different fold the same name movie, but you are keeping the same name movie to the different folders, I think there will not be any problem. Is there any problem? Divya Chaudhary, is there any problem?
No.
No. Divya, are you special? Just on your camera. Okay. So let me move ahead with the another topic, and that topic are basically how you can take input from the keyboard. So how you can take input from the keyboard. So as I discussed previously that you can take the input from the directly writing the initializing the variables, and also you can pass. Divya, are you not listening? Are you special? I will lose my patience. If you do like this, I will lose my patience. So what I said, you people, what you are doing. So I was speaking what things I was talking. What things I was talking? Okay, so I can directly initialize the variables, and I can pass the values by the actual parameter. That means I can pass the values to the methods also. But the third one way, how you can pass the value, I can pass the values from the keyboard. How you can pass? I can pass the values from the keyboard. So today I will study this. Okay, so let me share the screen. So students, how I can pass the values? There are one scanner class. Let me write here. Let me open the Word. Student, there are a scanner class. So you know a class name will start from the capital letter. So SCANNER scanner, scanner class. There is a scanner class. So this is predefined class. So you should ask from me, sir, which class this belong? You should ask from me. Ask Sanya. They are special. They will hide to themselves. They will not tell the answer. Sanya,
Which class, sir?
I asked, scanner is a class, built-in class. So I'm asking which package it belongs. You should ask from me. If anytime I will ask, this is a ready-made class, then one thing will keep in your mind. One thing will be going in your mind. Sir, you are talking about the built-in class. So there should be a package. This class must be belong to any package. Am I right?
Yes.
So you should ask, sir, which package this class belong? Ask me.
Which package, sir, it belongs?
This belongs a package name util. What is the package name? What is util?
Util.
So you know that there is a main folder, main package name. What is the name of main package? Just yesterday I explained. What is the main package name? Sanya, yesterday I explained. Sivakan, do you remember what is the main package? You do not listen, and even you do not bother to watch my videos again. What is the main package name? Sanya, do you remember?
No, sir.
I said Java is the main package. Java is the main folder. I said or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. You cannot tell the answer.
Yes.
Just yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All good, sir.
Okay. So, so let me take another question. Divya, show your faces. Divya. And Gulista, if you are not interested to take the class, you can leave. I want to ask the question from you, and you people are hiding to yourself. Divya, tell the answer. How many ways I can import our classes? How many ways I can import our classes? Gulista, how many ways we can import our classes? I knew. That's why you are hiding to yourself. If you will not study on daily basis, then you cannot give any single answers. If you will not study, then you cannot give any single answer. I'm sure, I'm damn sure. Yes, Sanya, tell me the answer. Sivakan. How many ways I can access the class? Sivakan, you are also not studying. Sanya?
Sir, in 6 ways.
6 ways? Where you have studied 6 ways? Tell. I do not have time, only 1 minute. In 1 minute you have to tell me. Okay, leave it. You cannot tell. Okay, the left.
Sir, 3.
3, okay, good. Tell me the name, tell me the way. First one is?
Sir, first, import package.
Importing complete package. Complete package. Next one is importing class only. Okay. Third one is fully qualified name. Fully qualified name. You can't tell these 3 methods. I just explained yesterday. Okay, if you can't tell, then what I can say, what I can do with you, because you people are not interested, you people are not serious about your study. If you are not serious, then you will be in the trouble. What I can do? I am not asking to study the new thing. I am just saying, just only study the previous topics, the previous videos. And I damn sure, and I promise to you that if you will study my all videos on daily basis, suppose if you miss any videos, then you can watch it on YouTube also. There are one more benefit of uploading the videos on YouTube. You can go, you can watch, you again and again watch, build your concept. Okay, this is your choice, what you're doing. So I said scanner is a class and that belongs to which package? Util package. And every package, util package. And every packages are, the main package name is Java. So it belongs, that means this package is inside to Java package. So how you will import the complete package? Import Java. And I said to you to go inside to anyone, you will write dot. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, import Java dot, then you will write util dot, then you have to, because you are importing complete package, so you will write import Java dot util dot star, then there will be a terminator. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it? Okay. So next one, students, you need to make a scanner class object. What you need to make?
Scanner class object.
So what is the way of making the scanner class object? What is the way of making the scanner class object? What is the way of making the scanner class object? Or any class object? If you want to make any class object, then how you will make? Tell me. Suppose I want to make this Pramod Kumar object. What is the way of making this Pramod Kumar object?
Pramod Kumar OBJ.
Okay. Okay. After that? After that? You people will not study. You people are not serious. Are you serious? Again, show your faces. Let me talk you. Show your faces. Okay. Sivakant. Sivakant. How you can make the object? Sanya, tell me.
Yes, sir.
How you can make the object? First you show your faces. How you can make the object? What is the way of making the object? Are you not understanding? Or you are not watching the videos on daily basis? Okay. Scanner is a class. So I said first you write the scanner, SCANNER scanner, then space, then there will be any object name. You can write any one. Suppose I am writing SC, then you will write new, equal to, then new, then space, then you will write SCANER, SCANER scanner. Then again one more inbuilt thing is system.in. Basically right now you want to access the values from keyboard, and in Java system.in represent the keyboard. You can write in your copy. System.in represent the keyboard. So that means we need to attach system.in with this scanner class. And you know system is a class name, so first letter of system will be in capital. So SYSTEM, system, and dot in. So always you will write system.in inside the brackets of scanner class. So you must remember these lines. Every time when you want a input from the keyboard, then you must write this line, scanner SC equal to new scanner system.in. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So students, there are different methods of scanner class. There are method next. So this is a method. So this must be in a small letter. Only one word. So this n will be in a small letter. The next one is next int. So next int, 2 words. So I will be in capital. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Next.
Yes.
Okay. Then there is another method next float. FLOAT, float. I will tell you the use of this one. Then next one is next double. DOUBLE, double. Then next short. Remember these methods. This will be going to use next short. So next one is okay, next line. What is the use of this one? Many methods are there. So you know, if you want, if you are using next method, then it will complete. That means used to complete. That means it will read the complete tokens. And if you use next int, then it will use to read integer. If you use next float, it will read float. You can write in your copy. It will read float, it will read double, it will read short, and it will read complete line. From which the keyboard, by which you are typing from the keyboard. Let me show you, then you can understand what I'm saying. Let me open the Bluesy. Okay, scanner SC equal to new scanner system.in. You already understood. Next, system.out.println, and in the double quotes you will write, please, you can write anything, please enter your marks. Suppose I want the marks of the student, so you will write, please enter your marks. Then after that you will write sc dot, for integer which method will be used, Tanya? For integer, tell me, for integer which method will be used? Sivakant.
Sir, next int.
Very good. Because next or int are two words. So next, in the naming convention, I said to you, if a method is having two words, then first word, each letter will be in small, and after that, the first letter of the word will be capital. Even it is four words. You remember this?
Yes.
Next, next, int. So basically this will represent an integer. So I need to have an integer type variable for holding this value. So I have integer a, you can write any variable, integer a equal to sc dot next int. So if I write here system dot out dot println, your marks is, so how will you write your marks? Plus a, because you are entering the number which you are entering, that is accepted by next int, and it is going to a, and again I am printing this one. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next, let me copy this. Please enter your name. So for getting the complete tokens, we need to have a method next. Which method I have? Next, the first one.
Next.
Suppose my name is Pramod Kumar Misra, so I will write here next, and this will return the name in string form. Which form?
String form.
String form.
So for getting the values in the string form, we must have the string type variable. So string string, string s. So I need to keep in string s. So I can write here your name is s. Let me compile this one. Cannot find symbol scanner. I think spelling is wrong. SCANNER. Compile this. Class compiled, no syntax error. And you must watch this. This must be capital. The first word of S will be in capital. You remember this because string is a class in Java. Remember this one. The point which I am telling on daily basis, you must remember. The S will be in the capital letter. Okay?
Capital.
Okay, let me run it. Oh, you got a pop-up message. Good. Please enter your marks. 12. Press. Your marks is 12. Please enter your name. My name is Pramod Kumar Misra. Your name is Pramod Kumar. Because I am just, it breaks, that's why it is not holding the complete name. So how it will hold the complete name, I will tell you. So in this way, you can get the data from the keyboard. So can you understand what I want to show you? What I want to show you, can you got everything?
Yes.
Yes.
So how was the class up today? And in the second class will start from, I think, what is the time of second class? 12:40.
Yes.
So
Yes.
your attendance on 12:40 is compulsory, and I will show you the next thing of scanner class. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
What in 2 minutes watch this code and ask your problems. You can ask anything without hesitation. Ask me.
Sir, we can't enter mark here.
Wait. Let me see one more thing. Please enter your marks 12. Please enter your name. Great. Okay, you use next only. What you are asking? What you are asking?
Sir, we can't enter mark here.
Where?
In web class, creating class here.
Hmm? Which
We
line?
can't enter mark here, sir.
Where? Okay, if you are facing problem in speak in Hindi, आप पूछिए problem पूछिए कहाँ क्या करना चाहते हैं?
No, I'm asking that we can't enter mark here. Where we are creating class.
There we are creating class. I'm not understanding what you are asking. Okay, we will discuss it on the evening in the second class. Okay, because you have to go in another class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, and we will meet in the next class on
Thank you, sir.
12:40. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.